Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to example 1 of module 10. We are speaking about timers in our course Microcontrolling Start as Professional. So in this example we are going to use the timer to do some delay. So it's a very simple circuit. We are going to use only one LED and blinking it according to the delay time. In this example the question is, write a C program to flash an LED every 6 milliseconds using timer 0. Suppose we have a CPU clock frequency of 32 kilohertz. So first step, we need to calculate T. So we have 32 kilohertz clock of the microcontroller, so we calculate T equal to the inverse of the frequency, so equal to 31.2 microsecond. Now we need to use the formula to calculate the timer count. So we need to delay 6 milliseconds. So 6 milliseconds divided by clock time, which is 31.2 microseconds, minus 1, we get 191. Timer 0 can count up to 255. So 191 is in the range, so no need to use pre-scaling. So in our program, we include the AVR IO.h. So this is the initialization for timer 0. So of course we initialize the value of the timer to 0 and we set up the timer without no scaling by giving CS001. Okay, in the register TCCR0, as I explained in the video explaining about the registers of the timers. Now in the main program, this is DDRC, we are going to flash the LED connected to port C. So we make DDRC bit number 0 is set to 1 to be output. We call the timer initialization to initialize it to 0 and no pre-scaling, and this is our program. Since it's not overflow interrupt, we can use the CTC mode, but here we are not going to use the CTC mode. We are going to write kind of manual program. So we check the TCNT 0, which is the value of the timer. If it's greater than 191, so we toggle the LED. To flash the LED, we need to toggle it. So if it's 1, change to 0. If it's 0, change to 1. And reset the value and leave the timer working automatically. So this code, as you see, we check the TCNT 0. If it's above our designed value, we toggle the LED. As long as we use this initialization, that means the timer is running. If we want to stop the timer, it's in TCC R0. Since we put it to work without no prescaling, so the timer will start work automatically. So now let's move to the circuit and see how things are working. We'll use this circuit for all the examples in module 10. So as you see, it's very simple example. We just control the blinking time of this LED according to the timers. So we go to AVR Studio, we write our program. So as you see here, the TCNT initialized to 0, and our program is checking the value which we already calculate to do the needed delay. We come here and build our project. After finish, we just upload it to our microcontroller. We run the simulation and simply the LED will blinking every 6 milliseconds. Actually it's not real time, but just the concept of it's running every 6 milliseconds. Of course it will be much more faster, but the simulator is showing it like this. Thank you for listening and see you in next video.